हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का दिन बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा है। वी वर एबल टू क्लोज द अकाउंट इन ग्रीन विथ 20,000 प्रॉफिट। इसका रीज़न बहुत ही सिंपल है। इन यस्टरडेज एनालिसिस वीडियो आई हैड ऑलरेडी गिवन द लेवल्स एंड आई हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्विक्शन बेस्ड ऑन द डेरिवेटिव डेटा एनालिसिस। अभी वो एनालिसिस क्या था आप ये इस तरह की वीडियो में जाके चेक कर सकते हो। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कन्विक्शन, अगर वो लेवल्स वो सेटअप मेरे फेवर में है तो आई गो all in Bank Nifty, but definitely with a strong and strict SL as well. So let me just show you my profit screen. So these were my today's trades. As you can see, I was carrying one BTST trade in Bank Nifty that was 37,900 C, which was deep in the money call, and I also had 18,200 CE. I was carrying 250 quantity. So I squared these positions off right after around 30 minutes in the morning. But later on, I had entered multiple times in the stock. In the Nifty only, I was trading in Bank Nifty only one script throughout the day. I held the position throughout the day, but squared off at break-even point. Um so these are my positions, as you can see. So I'm still carrying 100 quantity for tomorrow for 250C because I'm still very bullish on Nifty. I will be creating a separate video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, and I will also let you know what kind of option you can choose for trading tomorrow, because tomorrow is an expiry. So it is very important for us to be ready beforehand and trade only what you know. Okay, so this was my position. Now, as per my yesterday's analysis, I had already given this level which was pending from 11th October's trading session. We had this important level 18,097, and in analysis video I had explained, if market opens gap up and breaks this position, I will be buying 18,000 C. So rather than going 18,000 C, I was still in call, but I was at the money call and OTM, because I know that market would at least give a 50 point or 100 point momentum. Now here's the most important thing, or a fascinating thing that happened today. Check out this level I had plotted, 18,097.85. The moment this crossed, I had given one more level, which was this 18,197.80. You can check this level in yesterday's video as well, and I had updated this level on my Twitter account as well. You can check this level. Next resistance 18,197.80, and this was updated around 12.21 minutes पे. Alright, so at this point I had updated the level, so around 12.21, around this time, around this level I had explained that we have important resistance. Now check where market gave high. Check the high of this candle. Check 197.80, 18,197.80. Can you check the accuracy of this level? And because of this conviction, I was still in trade. I bought every dip here, and because I was I'm trading in a low capital account because I have took a challenge to grow this account. Okay, and I will be continuing trading in this account for some time because I have taken a challenge to grow this account, so that I can help more retail traders who are into option buying. So this was the level for Nifty. Now I did not focus much throughout the session on Bank Nifty today because I was totally focused on this, and you can see I'm not too bullish on Bank Nifty. I was not too bullish on Bank Nifty today, but because I had BTS trade, I squared off my position here only in the morning. I did not trade later throughout this session. I had only, I think, entered the near in the money call, which was 37,000, sorry, 38,600 ka call. That is what I was trading. Alright, so I hope you guys are learning. If you want to know more about these levels, definitely will need to watch the videos on this channel. There's a lot of learning content that is planned, a lot of content will be coming in for option buyer specifically. I know the dilemma for option buyer. Everybody does not come with a huge cash in the market. Whoever is starting out in the stock market, they want to make big money, but they have low capital. They don't want to risk more money. But this can only happen when you have edge in the options, and that is precisely what I do.